In today's video, I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop using professional techniques that look completely natural. If you've ever taken a portrait and noticed that the lighting has made someone's smile look a bit more yellow than it really is, you know how distracting that can be. This tutorial will cover the best and most effective methods to fix that without making the teeth look fake, gray, or artificially glowing. We are going to dive deep into two specific workflows so you can choose the one that fits your time and precision needs. If this video helps you improve your photo editing skills, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated with more tips. Let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. Our first method is the Hue and Saturation method, which is the industry standard for natural results. To begin, we need to create a selection. Choose the lasso tool by pressing L or the quick selection tool by pressing W on your keyboard. Zoom in close on the mouth and carefully select only the teeth. Don't worry if it isn't pixel perfect yet, as we can refine this later. Once you have your selection, go to the top menu and click on Layer, then New Adjustment Layer, and choose Hue and Saturation. Click OK. By using an adjustment layer, we ensure our editing is non-destructive, meaning we aren't damaging the original pixels. Now, look at the Properties panel for the Hue and Saturation layer. By default, it says Master. Click that drop-down and change it to Yellows. This is the secret. We only want to affect the yellow tones commonly found in teeth stains. Move the saturation slider to the left, somewhere between -40 and -70, depending on the severity of the staining. You will see the yellow disappear instantly. To make the teeth pop, increase the lightness slider slightly, usually between +10 and +20. Be careful not to go too high or the teeth will lose their texture and look flat. To finish this professional method, click on the layer mask, grab a soft round brush, and paint with black to remove the effect from the gums, or white to add it back to any missed spots. This ensures the edges are clean. Now, if you are in a massive rush, let's look at method 2, the quick brush whitening. First, create a new blank layer on top of your photo. Change the blend mode of this new layer from normal to soft light in the Layers panel. Select your brush tool by pressing B. Choose a very light yellow-white color from your color picker. Set your brush opacity very low, between 10 and 20%. Gently paint over the teeth. This method acts like a digital bleach, adding a subtle highlight that maintains the underlying texture while neutralizing the color. Both of these methods offer incredible control over the final look of your portraits. Whether you use the precise adjustment layer or the quick brush technique, remember that less is often more when it comes to retouching smiles. Experiment with both and see which one works best for your specific workflow. That is how you get professional, bright results every time. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.